to join Infinity Processing System, or IPS, by a guy by the name of Alex Bailey? Well, if you have, I just want to let you know that this guy is an affiliate marketer scammer. He goes around and he promises people money and bonuses and different things that he's going to give them, but whenever they sign up, he pretty much, blocks them, and they could no longer communicate with him, and he takes their money and he doesn't deliver on his promises. Now I'm going to just show you some proof right here from what people are saying, and the reason why I'm making this video is because I want to protect everybody from doing business with this scammer. And one thing that I don't like is people who scam others, people who intentionally try to hurt others, and he is definitely somebody that does that. See, right here, she paid with him, and he offered a discount, and she never got her money that she was promised. She never got the bonuses that she was promised right here. And then also, also right here, there's multiple people saying that he never, delivers on what he says. Here's one, here's two. He was scammed, and he never completed and got ghosted. And then here's another one saying that he blocked him. So this guy is a serial scammer. He's an affiliate marketer scammer, and you do not want to do business with him. I reached out to him because, somebody that I work with, closely reached out to me and said what happened to her and that she got scammed by him. And basically, she asked me if there was anything that I could do to help her in the situation, because there was nothing that she could really do. He encouraged her to actually pay with, friends and family so she could not dispute the charge. Then he ghosted her, right? So, basically, he's a big scammer, and he scams everybody that he works with. I mean, Alex Bailey is not somebody that you want to work with. And so when I found this out, I put a post on Facebook. So my first post that I put on Facebook was actually down here, and it was this post. And if I go to the comments, I have people that are commenting, still commenting. Here's more. Here's more. So he's known for this thing. See, here's another one. So here's some more. Here's another one. So there's plenty of people that are confirming that this guy is nothing more than a scammer, and he's just taking people's money. He's not a marketer. He's not somebody that could help you, and he's definitely not somebody that you want to do business with, because he will take your money. And